Hey there guys, and welcome to another video of the Curious Explorer. Today I'm going to be hiking a section of the Florida Trail, and right now I am just off of I-75 on Alligator Alley, and I am at the 63rd mile marker. And then I'm going to be going on the trail over there, and I'm going to be going northbound.
We entered the trail and closed the gate behind us as the gate told us to. About 500 feet after passing the gate, you see this kiosk. It has a map and a place to sign in and sign out. We went this way, 4.8 miles one way to NOBLES camp. This section of the Florida Trail is a raised and wide trail, and it is about 4.8 miles one way. We saw a lot of birds, and people have even reported to have seen deer, bears, bobcats, and even panthers.
We're about 2 miles in, and it's nice and cool, but it is a bit cloudy, and we're seeing some connector trails to some other trail, like this one, the red trail.
This section of the Florida Trail is not shaded, but since it was a cool day, the hike was still pleasant. After about 4.8 miles of hiking, you get to this campground called NOBLES Campground. The campground is about 100 feet off the trail, and it's pretty nice. The campsites here are primitive, but they're really nice with a fire pit, a picnic table, and a large open area right outside them. We took a lunch break at the campground and then decided to turn back.
Alright guys, so we're out of the trail now, and as we were heading back, it started to rain, and it's still raining, but I still had a lot of fun even though it was, well, raining. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And together, let's continue to explore.